Our physical computing course is subtitled Art, Robotics, and Tech for Good. For the Tech for Good portion, our students have been working on assistive technology projects with our partner, the Boston College Campus School, an on-campus learning program for students with physical and developmental challenges aged 3 through 21. Now, each student created an Instructables page so anyone can build similar projects to help people in their own communities. Jen Gemsky, Campus School's assistive technology specialist, generously worked with our students throughout the semester, identifying areas where Boston College students could use their management, design, and engineering skills to build real projects that improve the lives of our students. This semester's projects focused on accessibility games and lessons taught at Campus School. Here's a look at what they built. Sarah coded a brick breaker game with large graphic elements friendlier to a student with mobility challenges, and she designed a wheelchair button and a large touch interface with sound and light feedback to use as controls. Grant and Sumit created an ocean cleanup game where sweeping away trash makes the sea turtle glow a happy green. Matt R. built a large alert button that a student can use if they need bathroom help. It sends messages over the internet to any caregiver that's listed in a text file. Matt D. built a cooperative game that 2 children can play to develop timing and turn-taking skills. When students have mastered those skills, they can move on to competing with one another in a skiing-themed race game that Matt and Hunter built. Birta sewed a custom Pete the Cat toy based on the popular children book and YouTube readings. A wheelchair switch plays sounds and changes the lights on Pete's sneakers based on a story from one of the books. Matt V. built a one-touch instrument that allows students with limitations to play piano tunes like the Pirates of the Caribbean theme song. Astrid built a water tower with light-up movie soundtracks to be used for a lesson celebrating the 150th anniversary of Warner Brothers. Brian adapted a basketball game with servos and accessibility switches so that wheelchair-bound students could shoot hoops. Proximity sensors and an LED matrix display keep score and provide encouragement. Anisha built an interactive magic treehouse complete with Jack and Annie, the heroes from the popular book series. It moves, makes sounds, and lights up at the touch of an accessibility switch. Chris made a build for hockey fans at Campus School who can tap a wheelchair button and see the puck slide into the net for a light-up and horn sound playing Goal! Avery and Eli built a physical version of the popular learning game Jungle Adventure. Bridget and Caitlin built an accessible electronic version of the popular carnival balloon pop game. Adam and Mike built a light-up dragon sculpture from the popular Wings of Fire book, where touch sensors can change the color of fire-breathing dragons or cause dragons to go into battle. And Sir Khan programmed analog inputs to build a large touch drum kit, allowing even mobility-restricted students to get their Dave Grohl on. I'm proud of the work that our students have done. These projects were a great way for students to combine engineering and technical skills, management planning, and apply the university credo of being men and women for others. All projects were built using CircuitPython. If you'd like to learn how to build projects like these, I've created over 80 video lessons on electronics and programming that other educators and independent learners are welcome to use. It's all free online. Find them at this URL, and if you find it useful, let me know. And also, feel free to leave an encouraging word to my students in the comments. Thanks for watching.